Generally, we have two wires, one red, one black. The thick one is the current wire, the thinner one is the voltage wire. Red goes into the red hole, black goes into the black hole. This you should know. Also, when connecting to the circuit breaker must be in the closed state. Closed state. Measure the contact resistance after closing. This is the wiring. Another point to note about wiring. The large clamp is the current clamp. The small one is the voltage clamp. It must be placed inside the current clamp. Otherwise, the measurement will not be very accurate. Must be placed inside the current clamp. This means the large clamp encloses the small one. Yes. This is the wiring. Now turn on the device. We have 4 current ranges: 30A, 50A, 80A, 100A. Select the current output as needed. Choose accordingly. We usually select 100A. Then select the test duration. We also have several options: 1 second, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds. Choose according to the situation. We usually select 5 seconds. Then we can directly press test to start output. This is the output current. This is the voltage. This measured value is the resistance. After measuring, you can save the data. After saving, measure the second phase. Use the same method to measure the second phase. This unit does not have a printer. If printing is needed, a printer can be added. This function is optional. The printer is a separate small printer, which is connected via Bluetooth. How to measure the other phase? Connect the other phase the same way. Attach these two clamps to the second phase. Phases A, B, C. Measure 3 groups, then check its resistance value. Move this over. Attach this clamp to the second phase. For one circuit breaker, measure 3 groups. Language switching. Go to settings at the bottom. Here, simplified Chinese and English. Switch to Chinese. Then switch to English. This is English. Okay.
Thanks for watching the tutorial video prepared by Anna.